Hello students, in the previous class I discussed about examples on relation, and also I defined what is a relation, what is a domain, what is a range, and what is nothing but codomain. So thing is, a relation is nothing but any subset of the Cartesian product from a set A to set B is considered as what? Relation. Means you can say any subset of the Cartesian product. What is domain? Domain is the set of all first elements of the relation from a set A to set B. What is a range? Range is the set of all second elements in a relation from a set A to set B. Codomain is the whole set B itself is considered as a codomain. So before going to take some examples, I will take another one note. Means here I am defining another one relation. So in the case of note I will define, that is inverse relation. Inverse relation. Inverse relation. The thing is, we know what is a relation. Here we are saying inverse of this. For example, if R is a relation, R is a relation from a set capital A to, from a set capital A to set, from a set capital A to set B, then the inverse relation is the relation. Inverse relation is the relation from a set B to a set capital A. So the thing is, see, if R is a relation from a set A to, from a set B, when relation itself is from a set A to set B, then the inverse relation is also relation. Inverse relation is a relation from set B to, understand? And it is usually denoted by R inverse. It is denoted by R inverse. The thing is, when we are saying a relation from a set A to set B, a relation is always a subset of Cartesian product. When relation from a set A to set B, then the inverse relation is the relation from a set B to set A. What happening? There are set A to set B we are defining. Inverse relation is becoming what? Set B to set A. Means set are interchanging. Means first is becoming second, second is becoming first. Mathematically, that is, I can say if R is equal to A comma B, such that A belongs to set A, and I can say here, if R is a relation, A belongs to, means we can say A comma B belongs to set A and set B. B belongs to set B. Then I will say R inverse is what? It will become, we are interchanging, means here it is becoming B comma A. The thing is, see, when relation R is a subset of the Cartesian product, when we are saying it is A comma B, A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B. But here when we are saying inverse relation, these elements are interchanging. First element is becoming second element, second element is becoming first element. Then I can say this B belongs to which set? B, and A belongs to A. Only the thing is what happening? This changes to this one. For example, I will say one relation R is equal to, every relation defined on one particular set. I can say 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5. And on a set A is equal to that, you can say some number 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. The thing is what happening when it is 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 3 comma 4 4 comma 5. So when we have 1 2 3 4 5 on the set, what will be the inverse relation? Inverse relation will become it is denoted by this. Nothing it is happening. I will interchange these all. 1 2 will become 2 1, 2 3 will become 3 2, 3 4 will become 4 3, 4 5 will become 5 4. Nothing. Only we are interchanging order pair. Means the first element is becoming second element. Second element is becoming first element. I can say that 2 comma 1, this 3 comma 2, this 4 comma 3, this 5 comma 4. Yes. Then you can close it. What it is? Nothing. I said AB will become BA in the case of inverse. So here 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5, and here 2 comma 1 3 comma 2 3 comma 4 is become 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5 is become 5 comma 4. Means what happening here? In the case of inverse relation, always domain of the relation will become a range of the inverse relation. Range of the inverse relation will become a domain of this. Means I can say domain of, here I can say that domain of R is equal to range of R. Range of R inverse is 1 point in this case. Range of R will become a domain of R inverse. This is a point. What happens here? Domain of given relation will become a range of the inverse relation. Means range of the inverse relation will become a domain of the relation. Here range of the relation will become a domain of the inverse relation. Domain of the inverse relation will become a range of the inverse relation, because here I can say domain is what? First elements of the order pair 1 2 3 4. So where it is in the case of inverse relation? Second elements, these are, means in the case of relation what we have first elements of this are, those are becoming second element of the inverse relation. You see 1 2 3 4, and see second element of the relation, means second element of the order pair of the relation will become a first element of the inverse relation. See 2 3, you can say 2 3 4 5. What is becoming first elements? 2 3 4 5. Means you can say domain of R is always equal to range of R inverse, means inverse relation. Range of R will become domain of inverse relation. This is we are taking extra. So I am in the case of note I am giving inverse relation is a thing, but whenever relation is defined on from a set A to set B, then it will be from set B to A. Only the thing is we are interchanging given order pairs. Okay, this is about nothing but inverse relation. Copy this one. I will take some problems. So I will take some examples today. I already wrote 2 examples here, 2 questions I wrote. I will solve one by one. What is the first one? Let A is equal to 1 comma 2 and B is equal to 3 comma 4. Find the number of relations from A to B. He is asking how many relations are possible from A to B. Find the number of relations and also list them. List them means you have to express. If it is 16 relations are possible, you write and show the what are the possible relations. Okay, I will write, I will solve it. Given, first one. Given, what is A is equal to? A is equal to 1 comma 2 and B is equal to 3 comma 4. Means can I say n of A here? N of A is 2 element, n of B is equal to 2 element. Definitely n of A cross B according to the formula also you can say 2 into 2 4, and also I will find out A cross B. What is A cross B? You know Cartesian product 1 comma 3 1 comma 4, 1 comma 3 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. Yes, this is the possible Cartesian product. It implies that n of A cross B is becoming what? N of A cross B is becoming 1 2 3 4 elements. Means I can say number of possible relations. number of possible relations. Number of possible relations is nothing but what? It is what? Subsets of A cross B. Subsets of A cross B only we are saying number of possible relations. How many? We know the formula 2 to the power m into n. What is 2 to the power m into n? M is the number of elements of a set A, 2 element. N is the number of elements of a set B, means 2 into 2. Is it 2 into 2 is 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. You can say he is asking find the number of relation from A to B. I can say there are how many relations are possible? 16. And also he is asking list them, means what are the possible subsets of the given relation. Means you can say this is a Cartesian product. Means I can write all possible subset of the Cartesian product. When I am writing all possible subset of the Cartesian product, you can say every subset of the Cartesian product is considered as a one relation. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, means I will get 16 subsets. As you know, I said in the case of previous, whenever if you want to say subset of possible relations, means you can say 2 to the power m into n, means 16 are possible. What are those? I will write. First one, can I say 1, 3? It is, I am writing this element in the flower bracket. It will become one subset, means it is also relation. Then I will write individually 1, 4. Yes. Next I can write 2, 3. Then I can write 2, 4. Individually I wrote it is. How many? These are the 4. Still I will get. Next I will take two elements. 1, 3, first order pair and second order pair. 1, 4. I will collect first order with this. And then 1, 3 means you collect all possible different subsets. 1, 3, 1, 4 or 1, 3, 2, 3. 2, 3. Yes. 1, 3, 1, 4 or 1, 3, 2, 3 or 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. This is also possible subset. Now, means 1, 3, 2, 4 or next I will go for this. You take consecutively. 1, 4. 1, 4. Then next number 2, 3. Pair you have to collect. Nothing. Concentrate. 1, 4, 2, 3 or 1, 4, 2, 4. So I will write here still 1, 4, 2, 3 is over. 1, 4, 2, 4. 1, 4, 2, 4. You have to write very carefully, otherwise you will get confusion. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 is over. 1, 4, 2, 4 is over. Means next 2, 3, 2, 3 and 2, 4. These are the possible 2 to order pairs. Means I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still I need 16. Means I collected individually 1. Then I took individual, means I can say 2 order pairs. Then I will take 3 order pairs. What are those? First one, see. 3. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 4. Then 2, 3. The thing is, see. So very simple, but you have to concentrate. This with over and this. And then 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4 I will take. 1, 3. Then I am leaving this one. 2, 3 and 2, 4. Can I say another one? 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 I wrote here. Okay? Please concentrate. Then I wrote 1, 3. I left 1, 4. 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4 I write. I can write another one. I can write here 1, 3. So I wrote 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. So I can write here 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. And also I can write second, means third I can leave. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4. Can I say 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, you leave 2, 3. then I will write 2 comma 4. See there, is there here 1 comma 3 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4 is not there. 1 comma 3 2 comma 3 2 comma 4, but it is 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 4, 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 4, and another one 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 2 comma 4, means I can write this including another one 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. The thing is same. Check these 1 2 3 4, is it different or not? 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 is there here. 1 comma 3 2 comma 3 2 comma 4 it is. 1 comma 3 2 comma 3 here no. 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 4, no element is 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 4, means is it different? No. So it is 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 3, but it is 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 4. So here 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 2 comma 4, is it 1 comma 4? There is no 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. So means 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 2 comma 4 is that is also different. Means this I can say 3 case I can collect first second third, first third this and then I can collect 1 comma 3 2 comma 3 2 comma 4, then I can collect 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. I can now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I need another 2. What those 2 are understood. I can say empty is always subset of any set, means it is also subset of the Cartesian product, and I can say itself A cross B is subset of Cartesian product, means I can say A cross B is always subset of A cross B, means I can say is it this is the subset of A cross B? Yes, it is subset, means it is relation. 1 comma 4 is subset of A cross B? Yes, means it is a relation. 2 comma 3 is subset of A cross B? Yes, it is a relation. 2 comma 4 is a subset of this A cross B? Yes, it is a relation. Can I say these 4 are subset of A cross B? Yes. When you are saying subset of A cross B, that is relation. These are subset of this A cross B? Yes, obviously these are relations. Is it these are subset of A cross B? Yes, means any subset of the, you can say any subset of the Cartesian product is considered as what? A relation. Means according to this, if A has m element, B has n element, you can say 2 to the power m into n possible number of subsets of the Cartesian product. Which are possible subset of the Cartesian product? Those you can say the required relations, means how many relations are possible? 16 relations are possible. This is a first example. You copy this. Don't confuse this. I took individually 1 1, then I took order, means I took 2 order pairs, then I took 3 order pairs. While collecting 3 order pair, you collect different possible 3 order pair. Then I can collect empty itself and itself A cross B, means I can collect itself is I can say this A cross B itself is 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. This is the required answer of the given first. Okay, copy this. This is about question number 1. Now I am taking second exam. Computer. Otherwise you can take a screenshot, then later you can copy it. Okay. Second one. Now, second one, the figure shows, figure means here, he has given one figure. The figure shows, this figure, a relation between set P and Q. I have P and Q are 2 sets. This is, we are saying arrow diagram. Relations and sets, or you can say functions, usually we are expressing in the form of arrow diagram. So the figure shows a relation between the sets P and Q. He is asking, write this relation in set builder form, means you see the difference and you identify the relation between P and Q. According to that you can write set builder form. Next one, in roster form, you know what is the set builder form, roster form, I explained in the first class. What is its domain and range? Domain is nothing but first elements, all first elements of the given relation. What is the range? Range is the second elements of the order pairs in the given relation. I will say given 2. What is given? According to this diagram, I can say this is the given diagram. According to this diagram, what is the given? The thing is, see, diagram is given. What is given here? Given figure. What is the given figure is what? So it is, I think it is not necessary to draw again, that you can, I think I will explain here only. The thing is, see, 9 is connected to 3 and as well as minus 3. Can I say minus 3 square and plus 3 square is 9 only? Obviously, means I can say minus 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9. Means what is the relation? Means I can say this number is square of minus 3 and plus 3. Means you can say better 9 is a square of minus 3 or 9 is a square of plus 3. And then 4 is connected to plus 2 and minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 means minus 2 square plus 4. Plus 2 square plus 4 means, can I say 4 is a square of minus 2 or plus 2 or both. And 25. 25 is what? I can say 25 is what? 25 is a square of minus 5 or plus 5. The thing is 25 is connected to minus 5 plus 5. So means what is the relation? It's very simple. You can say the relation between P and Q is whatever you have the elements in the first set, these are the square of the given second set. Okay, can I write on the basis of this following pattern, on the basis of following this relation, can I express it is in the set builder form? What is the set builder form? I will write here. Set builder form, I can write P cross Q. P cross Q means it is relation between two sets P and Q. What is the relation here? 9 means I can say here, I will say x comma y such that what x? X is square of y. What is x? X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Yes. The thing is, see, when we are saying set builder form, that you have to express set builder form using variables, or you can say using statements, or you can say using characteristics. Means I can say that if any elements present in the Q, that I am considering y. Y is what? Second elements, belongs to second set always. So means x is a first elements, belongs to first set P. Means what? X comma y, this relation according to this figure, I can say according to this figure is what? I can write this x comma y, what? X is a square of y, x belongs to first set, y belongs to second set. And he is asking roster form also. What is the roster form? P cross Q is equal to first element, can I say 9? 9 is connected to plus 3 as well as minus 3. Means I can write 9 comma 3 and another one 9 comma minus 3. Yes. Then next 4 is connected to plus 2, 4 is connected to minus 2. The thing is, see, 4 is connected to plus 2, 4 is connected to minus 2. I can say that 4 comma 2, 4 comma minus 2. Yes. Then 25 is connected to plus 5, 25 is connected to minus 5. I can write 25 is connected to plus 5, 25 is connected to minus 5. Yes. Now, third one. So according to this, when I am saying this is a relation P cross Q, x comma y, x is a square of y. Is it 3? Means 9 is a square of 3. 9 is a square of minus 3. 4 is square of 2, satisfying this condition. 4 is square of minus 2. Yes, it is satisfying. 25 is square of 5. Yes, satisfying. 25 is square of minus. Yes, minus 5. It is satisfying. What is he is asking what is its domain and range. Domain is what? First elements. 9. 9. When it is repeated, I will consider once. 1 9 I will take. 4 4 I will take 1 4. 25 25 I will take 1. So means I can say what here? If I am saying this I can say relation R is equal to this P cross Q. Means it is one of the subset of that. Means I can say that here domain of this relation R. This is what? Domain of this relation R. R is equal to, I can say this. R is equal to what? First elements 9. I can't write 9 again. In the case of set, we are not repeating the elements. So 4 4 means I will write once 4. Then 25 25 means I will write once 25. This is what? Domain. What is range? Range he is asking range of R. Range of R is equal to, what is the range of R? Second elements. 3 minus 3 are different, I will write. 2 minus 2 are different. 5 minus 5 are different, means I can write I can write 3 comma minus 3. Second elements I am collecting. Range is the collection of second elements in the order pair. 3 comma minus 3. Then 2 comma minus 2. Then 5 comma minus. Yes. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But still, what is codomain here? What is codomain? Codomain said no. I said in the codomain case, codomain of this relation R is what? Second set. What is the second set here? Q. What Q has? Q has what are the elements? You can say 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. All the elements. I can write 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. This is the... Actually, in the given problem, he is asking domain. So, I wrote, it is a collection of first elements of the given relation. Range is a collection of second elements in the given relation. Codomain I am taking. I said codomain is always a whole second set. Means the what you have is second set, that totally is considered as a codomain. And I explained just from the beginning. I said inverse relation is what? Inverse relation we are interchanging this given P. Means when R is the relation, what is the inverse relation? I will write this. He is not asking here actually, but I will write here. What is the relation? What is the inverse relation? I can write here. It implies that R inverse. What is R inverse? We are exchanging these elements. Means first element will become second element. Second element will become first element. Means first set will become second set. Second set will become first set. I can write 9 comma 3 can be written as 3 comma 9. In the case of inverse relation, it is the inverse relation of this R. And minus 3 comma 9. Yes. Then 4 comma 2 can be written as 2 comma 4. And 4 comma minus 2 can be written as minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 4. Yes. Then 25 comma 5 can be written as, you can write here 5 comma 25, and then I can write minus 5 comma 25. What happened? We are interchanging first element is second element is first element. Whatever you have the elements in the relation R, we are interchanging those elements in the order pairs. That is becoming what? A inverse relation. Actually, in this question, he is asking domain or range. I wrote here extra codomain and what is the inverse relation of the given relation. In the case of inverse relation, only the thing is you interchange the elements. Okay. This is what? It is a set builder form. Given, you see, whenever we are giving some figures, you concentrate which relation is related to these two sets. Only the thing you concentrate on the first set and second set, and you see the connections. According to this connection, you can identify which relation is defined. According to that, you can write wording case, set builder form. Second, you can write roster form using elements. And domain is a collect the first element of these all order pairs. And range is the second elements of these order pairs. Then you can say codomain is whole second set. Inverse relation is a interchanging order pairs in the given relation. Nothing, it is inverse relation. Okay, this is you can copy. So third problem is what given? Let A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma so on up to 14. Here he has given A set. It has 14 elements, 1 to 14. Define a relation from A to A. Means this relation is defined on the only one set A. R is equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. xy belongs to A. Write its domain, range and codomain. If you want to write domain, range, codomain, first you write it is in the roster form. Listen to me. What is the third one? I will solve one by one. What is given set A? Given A is equal to I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Dot means he has given last number is a 14, means I can say up to 14. Then he is asking what another thing. R is given that x comma y such that what is the relation given? 3x minus y is equal to 0 and x comma y belongs to the set A. Means the given relation is what here? This is the relation. See, this thing you have to take. Means can I write y is equal to 3x, this 3x minus y is equal to 0 can be written as taking y, this y is equal to 3x. Means here you take x value. Means he is saying that x or y should be belongs to A. When x, y belongs to A means what are the possible values of A? A has 1 to 14. Means you take any value from these given set. Means whatever you take x value and y value, when you are taking x value you will get y value, so those values should be from the A, because he is saying x comma y belongs to capital A. Means y is equal to 3x. Can I say x is equal to 1? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 3. The thing is, see, when I am taking x is equal to 1, y is equal to, it is becoming what? 3. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. X is equal to 4, y is equal to what? 12. When x is equal to 5, problem is what? Y is equal to 15. But 15 is not belongs to this set A. Means that when 16 is not belongs, 15 is not belongs to, you consider only up to x is equal to 4. Means you don't take these values. Means you can take only these values. Means can I say, it implies that r is equal to, what are the values? When x is 1, y is 3. X is 2, y is what? 6. X is 3, what is y? 9. X is 4, y is 12. When I am taking 5 comma that will become a 15. So don't take a 5 comma that, because 5 into 3 will become a 15. So I will leave this. This is the roster form of the given set builder form. It implies that I said domain is what? First elements of the relation is considered as a domain. So I can say domain of this. Domain of R is what? First elements. What are the first elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is the domain. And then range. Range is what? Range of R is equal to second elements 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. What is a codomain? Codomain is considered as a whole second set. What is a whole second set? This given relation is defined on set A. Means definitely this relation R will be subset of A cross A. Means what is A cross A? Means second set will be always A only. Means I can say codomain. Codomain is what? Codomain of this R is also what? Set A only. So means here you can say that a relation is defined. A relation is defined on set A, means it is a subset of A cross A, means that you can say second set is a capital A itself. Codomain is also what? A. Domain is a this one, range is a this one. Okay, copy this. Only the thing is you 3x minus y is equal to 0, y is equal to, you find out taking x value, those x and y should be belongs to this set. According to that you have to write. Take this one. Next one, fourth one. What is fourth one? Define a relation R on a set natural number. It is given R is equal to x comma y is equal to x plus y, x plus 5, x comma y belongs to natural number, x is less than 4. Write in roster form and write down domain, write domain and range. So this third question is over. I will remove this. According to fourth I will write what is given. Fourth one given. What is given here? R is equal to, it is defined on which set? R is defined on set natural number. So R is equal to what given? X comma y such that, what is this relation? Y is equal to x plus, y is equal to x plus 5. What is xy? Xy belongs to natural number and x is less than what? He has given condition 4. So This relation is defined on the natural number case. Set is given a natural number and he is asking roster form and domain range of this given relation. The thing is, see, what is given? Y is equal to x plus y. X is what? Less than 4. Means what are the numbers? X is a natural number, y is a natural number. Means what are, when x is given, x is less than 4, I can take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. These are the possible natural numbers, because when he is asking less than 4, I can take. So means y is equal to what I will get according to this. When x is 1, y is equal to 1 plus 5. I will say 6. When x is 2, y is equal to 2 plus 5, 7. When x is 3, 3 plus 5. Can I say y is equal to 8? Means now r is equal to, using this, I can say that x is what? 1. When x is 1, I can write, when x is 1, I can write it is 6. X is 2, y is equal to 7. X is 3, y is what? 8. And this will be closed. The thing is, see, when x is 1, y is 6. X is 2, y is 7. X is 3, y is 8. X I can't take 4, because when x is becoming 4, 4 is not less than 4, because condition is what? X should be less than 4 and x should be always natural number. It implies that what is the domain? Domain of this is, domain of R is what? Set of first elements of the relation, first elements of the order pair, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And what is the range of this? Range of R. Range of R is what? Second element, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Yes, then what he is asking? He is asking that domain, range and roster form I wrote. If you want, you can say, I think it is not necessary to write codomain here. He is asking only domain and range. This is clear. Okay. According to this, you can say that given when x is 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, because of this relation. This is the main. So corresponding domain, corresponding range. Nothing. Domain is always first elements of the order pair in the given relation. Means what you will get a relation. Range is the second elements of this. Okay, copy this. So fourth one complete, I will remove. What is the fifth one? Let A is equal to, he has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Means set A is given. Let R be the relation on capital A defined by R is equal to A, B, where A, B belongs to the set A. Means here whatever you can take A value, B value, that should be belongs to the set. And he is given condition B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. Write in roster form. Means I will write here what is the domain and what is the range of this also. Given I will write. Fifth one. What is given? Given A is equal to set. Set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And let R be the relation defined. What is R? R is equal to A, B. A, B. Such that, what is AB? A and B belongs to capital A only. Means these two A, B should be from the set A. What is the condition? Here he has given that B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. So this is the given relation. I will remove this. Now, according to this relation, what is R is equal to A, B? A, B, this A and B should be belongs to these numbers. Means from this only. B is exactly divisible by, means you collect the pair, you collect the order pairs like according to this condition. B is exactly divisible by. While taking the elements, this condition you have to satisfy. R is equal to, so according to this condition I will choose 1 with 1. I can say 1 is divisible by 1. B is exactly divisible by 1. 1 with 2, 2 is divisible by 1. 1 with 3, 3 is divisible by 1. 1 with 4, 4 is divisible by 1 because condition is satisfying. B is divisible by A. Now 1 with 6, yes, 6 is divisible by 1. I can say 1 is divisible by 2 is divisible, B is nothing but second element. Here A is the first element, B is second element. So 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 1. So 1 with all the element over. 2 with 1, 2 with 1 is not possible. 2 with 1 I can't say. 2 with 2, yes, 2 with 2, 2 is divisible by 2. 2 with 3, 2 with 3 means 3 is not divisible by 2. Means 2 with 4, yes. 2 with 4 is a 2 with 4 is a 4 is divisible by 2. Yes. Then 2 with 6, yes, 2 with 6 is possible because 6 is divisible by 2. Now 2 is over. 3 with 1, 3 with 2 not possible. 3 with 4 not possible. 3 with 3, 3 with 3 itself possible. 3 with 3 means 3 is divisible by 3. 3 with 6, yes, 3 with 6 is divisible. Means you can say 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 with all the number over. 4 with, instead of writing there I will write here 4 with these numbers, previous numbers are not possible. 4 with 4, 4 comma 4 because 4 is divisible by 4 itself, because 4 comma 1 I can't say 1 is divisible by 4. 4 comma 2, 2 is not divisible by 4. 4 comma 3 means 3 is not divisible by 4. 4 comma 4 is possible. 4 comma 6, 4 comma 6 means 6 is divisible by 4. No, means next number remains what, a 6. 6 with these all number is not possible. I can write 6 comma 6 because if I am taking 6 comma 1, 1 is not divisible by 6. 6 comma 2, 2 is not divisible by 6. 6 comma 3, 3 is not divisible by 6. 6 comma 4, 4 is not divisible by 6. When I am taking 6 comma 6, 6 is divisible by 6. The thing is, see, now the obtained order pairs, how it is? B is exactly divisible by A. You see, second elements are considered as a B. First elements are considered as a. Definitely B is divisible by first element, means you can say second elements, all these order pairs. In these order pairs, you see every second element is divisible by its first element, means that B is exactly divisible by A. It implies that what is the domain of this? I can write domain of this is a domain of R. He is asking only raster form, I am writing domain also. Domain is the first elements. First element is what? 1, repeated 1, don't take 1, 2, then 3, different element, 3, 4 and 6. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And what is the range? Range of this. Range of this is a range of R is equal to second elements of the order pairs. Second element 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there. In the second case, you see the second elements, every element is repeated. So you don't consider repeated elements, you consider again same 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Again here domain is also same, range is also same. Even though if you are collecting codomain is itself the given set A only. So this is examples related to relation. Nothing here, only the thing is given relation you understand. According to that you write roster form, first elements of the order pair, and range is the, you can collect second elements of the order pair in the given relation. Nothing is there here, only the first element is considered as a domain, second elements of the order pair is considered as what? Range. So this is about relation case. In the next class, I will define what is function and I will take examples related to function. Thank you.